Today I'm going to show you how to create a Facebook business page step-by-step guide. Before the start of the video, make sure to leave a like, and if you want to see more content, subscribe to the channel. Let's get started. Step number 1. Sign up. Enter your business information in the panel on the left. As you do so, the page preview will update in real time on the right. For your page name, use your business name or the name people are likely to search for when trying to find your business. For category, type a word or two that describes your business, and Facebook will suggest some options. You can choose up to 3 of the suggestions. Next, fill in the description field. This is a short description that appears in search results. It should be just a couple of sentences, maximum 255 characters. Step number 2, add pictures. Next, you'll upload a profile and cover images for your Facebook page. It's important to create a good visual first impression, so choose wisely here. Make sure the photos you choose align with your brand and are easily identifiable with your business. You'll upload your profile photo first. This image accompanies your business name in search results and when you interact with users. It also appears on the top left of your Facebook page. If you have a recognizable brand, using your logo is probably the safest way to go. If you're a celebrity or a public figure, a picture of your face will work like a charm. And if you're a local business, try a well-shot image of your signature offering. The important thing is to help a potential follower or customer to recognize your page immediately. Step number 3, connect your business to WhatsApp. Optional. After you click Save, you'll see a pop-up box asking if you want to connect your business to WhatsApp. This is optional, but it does allow you to add a WhatsApp button to your page or send people to WhatsApp from Facebook ads. Step number 4, create your username. Your username, also called your vanity URL, is how to tell people where to find you on Facebook. Your username can be up to 50 characters long, but don't use extra characters just because you can. You'll want it to be easy to type and easy to remember. Your business name or some obvious variation of it is a safe bet. To create your username, click Create Username on the page preview. Enter the name you want to use. Facebook will let you know if it's available. If you get a green check mark, you're good to go. Click Create Username. Step number 5, add your business details. While you might be tempted to leave the details for later, it's important to fill out all the fields in your Facebook page's About section right from the start. As Facebook is often the very first place a customer goes to get information about you, having it all there is important. For example, if someone is looking for a business that's open till 9, they want to confirm this information on your page. If they can't find it, they'll surely keep looking until they find another place that's more forthcoming. Fill in the appropriate details here, starting with your website. If your business is open to the public during specific hours, make sure to enter those here. This information appears in search results. Don't forget to complete the Add an Action button section. Facebook's built-in call to action button makes it very easy to give the consumer what they're looking for, and it allows them to engage with your business in real time. The right CTA button will encourage visitors to learn more about your business, shop, download your app, or book an appointment. Step 6. Create your first post. Before you start inviting people to like the Facebook page for your business, you should post some valuable content. You can create your own posts or share relevant content from thought leaders in your industry. For inspiration, check out our blog post on Facebook marketing. You could also create a specific type of post, like an event or offer. Just click one of the options in the Create box at the top of your page. Step number 7. Invite an audience. Your Facebook business page now represents a robust online presence that will make potential customers and fans feel comfortable interacting with you. Now, you need to get some followers. Start by inviting your existing Facebook friends to like your page. To do so, just scroll down to the bottom of the Set Your Page Up for Success box and expand the section called Introduce Your Page. Click the blue Invite Friends button to bring up a list of your personal Facebook friends. Select which friends you want to invite, then click Send Invites. Thanks for watching, guys. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on post notifications to see more of our future videos. With that said, keep enjoying our videos, and I'll see you in the next video.